Hello. DAB Unbox welcomes you to watch unboxing and review of BCI cotton inner boxes from the brand ALMO. Let's unbox and do Sidhi Baat, no bakwas. My opinion, these inner boxes are very nice and comfortable. Button on fly isn't of a good quality and should not have been visible. Comfortable and light in weight. The colors are also very good. Now the two things I really didn't like about these boxes are: Number 1, waistband finish is not perfect at all. Number 2, button on fly isn't of a good quality and should not have been visible. This is not a sponsored video. This is my own personal opinion about these inner boxes. What's your opinion about these boxes? Tell in the comments. Finally, I think it's worth buying because of the perfect fit, good color options and most importantly, comfort. If you want to buy them, find the buy links in the description of the video. Subscribe to my channel now. If new here, which brief, trunk or boxes do you want to see here, unboxing and reviewing? Tell in the comments. See you in the next video. We will be doing Sidhi Baat, no bakwas. Thank you.